This is a weather forecast video for Tuesday, April the 3rd, 2012. Taking a look at the satellite image from last evening, some scattered showers and thunderstorms across the plains, down across the Gulf Coast, and another storm system moving into the Pacific Northwest with some rain and mountain snow there. Watch warning map from midnight this morning, some winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings over the mountains of Colorado and New Mexico. Also across the Northwest, a severe thunderstorm watch in the plains, and some freeze and frost advisories over New England. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock shows some decent amounts of rain of 1 to 2 inches across the central southern plains into the Ohio and Tennessee and deep south, while here, just lighter amounts. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. There's a storm system over the Oklahoma and Texas Panhandle coming out of New Mexico, producing the snow in the higher elevations there. It'll be producing some showers and thunderstorms across the southern plains. There could be some isolated activity here with 20 to maybe 30% coverage at best, with highs in the 60s and 70s, and that'll be the case Wednesday. Could be some more thicker clouds in the southern half of the state with this upper level feature moving across Kansas and Oklahoma. Could be a scattered shower, 20% chance or less. This continues into Thursday, especially south of Interstate 80 and east of 35, with clearing late and temperatures still in the 60s across the state. Heading into Friday, temperatures will begin to warm slightly back into the mid to upper 60s to lower 70s with some southerly winds and another storm off to our west across the plains. And this storm moves in on Saturday. This one runs a little quicker than yesterday with some showers and isolated thunderstorms. It'll be still in the 60s to lower 70s. And looking on Easter Sunday, that storm, it looks like this, with the run being faster, I don't think sunrise services are going to be affected. There could be some morning clouds then clearing. Be a lot cooler behind this system, and even Monday it'll be much cooler. This run shows we could see highs maybe back into the 50s, maybe even cooler, maybe some 40s across the state. A week from today, on April the 10th, there's the trough over the eastern third of the country, with a ridge developing over the west now. And with this pattern, it stays cold here. Could see some lake effect snow or rain snow showers across the lakes, thunderstorms across the southeast, and another storm off the California coast by then. A few days later, on the 13th, Friday the 13th, we have now a broad trough over the west and a slight ridge over the south and east, and a storm system centered near Norfolk, Nebraska could bring some showers and some thunderstorms. There could be maybe some high elevation snow in the Black Hills and into Montana and Wyoming. The end of the forecast on the 18th, pretty zonal across the country with no ridge really or no trough, and with this type of pattern, we'll see some quick-moving storms. For example, one over the state at that time, another one right behind that, and another one just off the east coast of the United States. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one on Wednesday.